Alright traders, welcome back. So today is 28th of January 2020. So we are now live day trading crude oil market March contract 2020. So in this video I'll show you from my day trading setup from paradox setup, and we have another signal for short sell position. So we're going to short sell we already have a profit just now in another video for 28th of January. You can recheck again in my playlist. The one is around $100 in 20 seconds, and now we are expecting for another short sell position. This moment the short sell entry is based from my live Telegram channel is at 53.42, and TP at 53.25 should be around 17 ticks. So we are going to scalp the market, so hopefully everything goes fine. So let's wait and see for the next for the next 30 minutes whether this will be a good entry or not. Please watch this video till the end until you can see whether this will be a good signal or not. So this is a live signal I sent to you. Okay, let's wait and see. This is gonna take some time. So market still in ranging for the larger time frame. You can see there's ups and downs since the past 2 days after the coronavirus news spread out. And as for now, we wait until our position to be filled. Okay, we can see now a red candle being formed. So hopefully the price break through this nearest low and fill our order, and then we can go towards the TP targeted area. So this is live trading, and this is a live signal. Feel free to click link in description below. Still waiting. Okay, the price still not yet triggered. You can see it's quite volatile at this moment. Price ranging around 60, 53, 60. So we're still waiting on the downside of 53.42. Yes, correct. 53.42 as our entry here, and still waiting. Price already touched I think the lowest at this moment just now based on time frame 10 minutes is 53.48. so let's wait until this volume settle down, then there's a probability for the market to spike down at this level of 53.42. So this is quite volatile at this moment. It's too much volume. Okay, now it start moving very fast. Now, as I said, it's quite volatile. It's too much uncertainty, so that's why we are waiting on the downside and waiting for the paradox to enter the market. Alright traders, we did make some changes, revise on the entry level, which is now is at 53.46 instead of 53.42. so I already mentioned in my live Telegram channel as well. So there's a revise of the entry at 53.46. yes, the original one is at 53.42. this is a second signal for today. Okay, let's go back to the platform. Okay, let's wait for another couple of minutes whether this position will be triggered or the got fill. Okay, looks good at this moment, so let's wait. Alright traders, we in the market, so let's take a look on the position. So the entry level is 53.46. we are going to short the market, and the target is at 53.25 or 26. so let's wait whether this will be a good trading. Let's continue to watch this movement of the crude oil, whether they will go a pullback on this occasion, and let's wait patiently. Okay, looks like there's a major movement at this moment. You know, there's high volume 53.44. Let's take a look deeper. Okay, it's quite nice. 52.20, around 80, not much, but yeah. So we are still waiting for the market to provide a big red candle just to confirm this is a good entry. At this moment is minus 10, minus 1 ticks, minus $10. Looks like a strong demand here at 53.44. Okay, we are zero. It's gonna take some time, so hopefully I can record it live. Will be quite interesting to see the market penetrate to the downside and move towards our TP area. That's the main reason I do this recording while trading. And time now is 12:17 New York time. My local time is 1:17 early in the morning, past midnight already. Alright guys, still waiting for the market to penetrate to the downside. It's been a while, I believe already 30 minutes, sorry, 20 minutes, and yet we don't see any major price movement to the downside. Still negative this moment. Alright, traders are still waiting for the penetration of this level down here. So let me draw something. Yeah. Oh, how to use this one? Okay. And let me put it one yellow color. Okay, still waiting for it to penetrate. At this moment we have been in the market for almost 30 minutes. It's too long already, and yet it didn't break through. We're still waiting and waiting for a breakthrough towards this paradox entry. This one is under special one. So let's take a look on the volume on the downside. Not much because it's already noon time in New York. Perhaps traders went for lunch and that's what I'm thinking. On the higher side is also quite moderate volume being seen, only high volume at 53.93. Waiting for the upside movement. Okay, we're still in minus 4 ticks, which is around $40. I hope I can capture this video live recorded during the penetration of this yellow line over here, and I hope to finish this trade early because it was past midnight in my country. It's sleeping time. So guys, we back again, hopefully to capture everything live. Our price now stood at around 53.49, 53.48, 53.50. It's quite hard to justify when it's going to explode to the downside. So now we are minus 3 ticks and minus 2 ticks, which is this moment minus $20. Okay, looks good. In a strong push to the downside. Once it's go down, then I can go to sleep. That's all important at this moment. Hope this trade ends soon. Minus 1 ticks, minus 2 ticks. Any moment from now. Any moment from now. Okay, very tough one. Now back to 50. Gosh. Okay, is it the time? I'll keep pause and resume this video just to make sure this video is not too long for you guys to watch it. Okay, minus 1 ticks. Once it's okay, you can see high volume here waiting at 53.46 around 197, which could bring a good demand for the explosion to the downside, but we need more demand on the downside, more demand on the buying side. Okay, this is where I will exit my position 53.25 with the others trader from my left Telegram channel. Hopefully we'll go towards that direction. There's been some okay, now the demand goes to the lower of 52.45. Okay ish. Suddenly market become volatile. Okay, looks like it. Hopefully this is the one. Hopefully. Just resume back this video. Okay, breakthrough. And let's focus on this dome depth of market. Hopefully they keep down and down for the down, so looks good. If going further down, if we reverse back to the upper side, doesn't looks any good for our position because we are on the short side position, and there's a quite high here, 53.43. Too slow. I hope the price move very fast, maybe to the nearest low here at 53.43. It will go as a breakout maybe, but for now only 1 ticks profit. $10. Have to wait. Okay, slightly down, plus 2 ticks. There's quite a volume here waiting at 53.42. Could be the profit taking activities from the scalpers. Not much reaction. Okay, here's 100, 115, 109, 110. It's quite healthy. Penetration towards this 53.38 maybe, perhaps in the next 5 minutes time. Okay, let's keep watching this volume. So let me check some chart first. This is going to take some time. Time now is okay, in 2 minutes we can see there is a possibility price reverse back again. Tough trade actually, this one. Okay guys, I will resume back again. Still maintain at around 53.42. Back forward and backward from this point to 53.45, which is our entry, but we already plus 3 ticks, which is around $30. Start to drop. There's a high volume waiting at 53.40. Looks healthy at this moment. I think we are in a good direction. Only it took longer than we expected. because this is not the beginning of US session. Only at the beginning of US session you may get a few seconds entry and TP. Now price move back to the upper side. Oh, very stressful. Alright, finally there's a move to the downside, so you can see a big red candle. So we are now plus 6 ticks, plus $60. So let's wait for the market to have a good stability. We still maintain the same TP area, take profit target, which is at 53.25 or 53.36. Okay, while waiting to hit the TP, hopefully I can capture it live. I still hope the market will go very fast because I'm too sleepy at this moment. Because I'm expecting for this move will be a quick one within 20 minutes or 40 minutes. But now already took some time beyond it. Market a bit slow during the lunchtime, so patience, be patient. Okay, still around 40, 41, 42. Okay, still around 5 ticks or 6 ticks in terms of the profit. $60, $50. The lowest we get is 37, 9 ticks from our entry. Doesn't look good. There's a high demand on the seller side at 53.44. Need to be careful. Okay, so far looks good, but still not good enough. And also I've mentioned in my Telegram channel, this trade took longer than expected. And let's go back to the platform. Yep, plus 7 ticks, which is around $70. I have to wait some more because it's not good enough. But it looks a very nice candle over here with a red full candle. I hope that the market will push, so let's wait for another 2 more minutes. If 2 more minutes there is strong bearish movement, then we have a high possibility for the market to spike down. Okay, now we have a full bar, Morobozu. Let's wait. Okay, looks good, not far from the TP area. $120 in profit over here. I think we can start to move our stop loss to 75 or not. Okay, I need to advise something to the Telegram channel. Yeah, it will go towards this direction. Not much, so let's take a look where we are going to take profit, which is 159. I hope I queue it early. Maybe we can just exit the market. So 160 in profit. 30. Okay, it's very interesting. High demand on the multiple level. 160, 160, 160. Okay, I'm typing something, so let's take a look. I think we almost hit the TP area. I will exit some of the position. Got very high volume. I think I need to advise to exit, go flat first. I think I will go flat 170. I think 170. Let's take a look. Okay guys, we exit our position, so we close today with a good profit. The last round, which is this, you can see this purple triangle here is our entry, and this cyan triangle is our exit. So it was a perfect move for me, and although it was very late night time. Okay, this is our entry here. Okay, just a perfect move. 170, 180. I also advise my live Telegram channel to exit the market because the profit good enough already. Okay, guess some of them already read it. Hopefully they already exit, because yeah, good enough. We have a total today about let's take a look. Total today purchase and sales, we have 3 trades. During US session we have 2 trades. The first trade is pre-US session, just for my own warm-up. It's not included in the dive signal. So 100 in the first US session, and then the second one is around 170. So this is around 170 US dollar in profit. So now price did hit our TP area, but it's okay. And the lowest point is 26. Yep, that's our TP area. That's good. But so we close for today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, share, comment, or share this video with your other traders buddy, and subscribe the channel and subscribe my link below in description. Thank you. Bye bye.